Hello enthusiasts! May bagong release ang Sofern na Long Distance Beam Tactical Flashlight. This is the Sofern SK40. So it has a maximum of 3,200 lumens na lakas. Pwede siyang umabot ng hanggang 580 meters, lampas kalahating kilometro. Let's unbox, do an outdoor test, and explore the features, functions, and specs. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's go. Now, subukan naman natin yung lakas niya kung totoong maabot talaga ng 580 meters. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's do an outdoor test. Let's go. We are here sa isang viewing deck ng dam sa amin. Yan, approximately 200 meters from the viewing deck. Yung low niya umaabot, yan. Kahit low pa lang yan. So, medium, yan. As you can see, nakikita naman yung dam. And that's the high. Wow. Dito mo talaga makikita yung full potential niya pag malayuan na yung testing. So turbo, yan. Mas malakas na. Mas malakas na yung beam niya. Yan. So tingnan niyo naman. Napakalayo. Doon naman, yan yung mga bahay sa baba. Nasa elevated area tayo. Nasa bundok. So, check natin kung aabot siya sa bundok. Yung maliit na yon, malayo yon. Yan, ito yung low. So, medyo, makikita mo na medyo may umaabot naman. Konting ilaw. Yan. So, yan. Switch to medium. Di pa rin. High. Yan. And then turbo. So I can barely see pero mahinang makita sa camera kasi medyo foggy eh. Pero nakikita ko naman in my end, umaabot naman doon. Umaabot sa kabilang bundok yung sinag niya. So very impressive yung throw niya. Lampas kalahating kilometro. So kabilang bundok naman, yung low, barely umaabot. Pero kahit low pa lang siya, it has a good throw pa rin. Yan, medium. So, medyo umaabot na talaga sa kabilang bundok. Yan yung medium. And then, high. Yan. So, nakikita niyo yung puno doon. Siguro nasa mga 200 meters siguro yan. Or 100 meters, 150 meters. So, yan. Ito yung kanyang high and then switch to turbo. Yan, napakalakas. Medyo foggy ngayon. So, medyo nakikita nyo yung beam niya as you can see. Yan. It is very impressive. Very impressive. So yung mga bahay sa baba, ilawan nga natin kung aabot ba yan. Aabot naman siya. Switch natin to turbo. Yan. Napakalakas. Kita na yung mga bahay doon sa baba. It's a very good spotlight. Sofern SK40, beam shot niya. Ito yung beam niya. Yan, has a nice spill. Ito ay nasa low pa. So, kahit low siya, napakalayo na nun yung bato niya. There. And medium, yan, that's the medium. And then high. And then turbo. Wow. So, ganito kalawak yung spill niya. Yan, you can see. So, as you can see, so, good spill. Very nice. Strong hot spot. And very bright. All right, so that was the outdoor test. Now let's discuss everything else about this unit. Now this is nicely packed, and as you can see, maximum 3,200 lumens with a maximum throw of 580 meters. So this is at turbo. Yan. So you can see here yung specs niya. Meron siyang limang intensity. That's eco, low, medium, high, and turbo. And as you can see here, the lumen rate and the runtime, and as well as the throw. So the unit is rated at IP68 when it comes to water resistance and impact resistant at 1 meter. So we have this emitter SFT70. Ito yung bagong SFT70 emitter nila with a tint of 6,000 to 6,500 K. Let's talk about the build quality. Meron siyang textured grips. So merong mga flat surface dito. Yan, as you can see. It feels good in the hand. There. So dismantle natin yung kanyang tube. So ito yung tube niya. This is the head and this is where the tail switch reside. So itong flat na to, it should go here. So this is powered by a 21700 lithium ion 500 milliamp hour battery. So from Sofern. This has the printout for the orientation ng battery. So positive goes here. Put it like so. There. Nice smooth threads. So next is the buttons and the tail switch. So you have a tactical tail switch here. Yan, easy access. Has a good feedback. Pwede siyang momentary and full press. Yan. Yan. For signaling. Yan. And the side button feels good as well. Let's talk about the user interface. So itong unit ay may dalawang mode. Meron siyang duty mode and tactical mode. So sa duty mode, you can cycle through low, medium, and high. And sa tactical mode is one click turns on and off the light. Yan. You can also do momentary. Yan. And then the side button, yan, it doubles as battery indicator and charging indicator. Green when you have good battery health, and then red if you need to charge the unit. So while naka-on siya, when you press the side button, it will cycle through low, medium, and high. So to access turbo, you just have to double press. Yan, turbo. Double press again. And this is the echo mode. Yan. It's echo. And just press again to go back to the normal mode. Yan. So the normal mode also has a memory function. Let's say you leave it at medium. When you turn it off, it remembers the last setting that you used. So, yan, medium pa rin siya. So when you set it at low, you're still at low when you turn it on. So the next function is when you triple press, that's how you activate the strobe. 1, 2, 3. And then double press. cycle you through SOS. And then another double press, it will take you to beacon mode. And when you double press again, that's strobe. So duty mode, you have to triple press for strobe. So the tail switch, meron din siyang special na gesture. When you half press and then click, it will take you to turbo. So in order for you to instantly access the turbo without pressing the side switch, you just have to uh, half press and then full press. You have to do it quick like this. Yan. So, yan. Let's set it to low. Yan. Yan yung low. And then when you half press and then full press, yan, turbo. That's how you access turbo without pressing the side switch. So you have that option for turbo. Now let's go to the tactical mode. So in order for you to switch to tactical mode, kailangan mo lang i-press and hold yung side switch for 3 seconds and then you will notice that it will blink. So that's how you know na nakapag-switch ka na ng mode. So let's try it. There, it blinked. Yan. Yan. A tactical flashlight, very important na you have that instant access to turbo. So kung naset mo to at tactical mode, when you turn it on, naka-turbo agad siya. Yan. And there are only two intensities, medium and turbo lang. Yan. So for you to access the strobe, pag naka-tactical mode ka, instant access to strobe. So yan. Yan. When you half press, quick, and then full press, it will take you to strobe. Yan. There. It's very easy. Yung side switch naman is instead of a triple press for strobe, kailangan mo lang double press. Yan. And then double press again, SOS, and then another double press for beacon, and then double press again, yan, strobe. When you click on the single press, it cycles through between turbo and medium. And that is the user interface of the Sofern SK40. Very easy. So let's talk about the emitter, the reflector, and the bezel. So meron siyang bezel dito, not too deep sa cutouts. And you'll have that wide, smooth reflector. And the SFT70 there at the center is very small but very powerful. Alright, so overall, I'd recommend this tactical flashlight if you need a thrower flashlight. And you can get this. Alam nyo na kung saan makukuha. Check nyo lang sa description. And see you guys on the next video.